Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily updates on Jasmy. All right, we're back again. It's probably going to be a relatively short video because, Jasmy also felt the effects of the volatility we had yesterday. But in general, I mean, the situation for Jasmy is still very much the same. All right, so if you watched all my other videos and you still completely know that, then I would just click away, to be honest, because right now what we're waiting for with Jasmy is just some strong confirmation and some sort of a breakout. And there are some new things I wanted to look at, like some sort of a liquidation heat map to see whether we can expect there to be some sort of a magnet to the upside, so to the supply side or the demand side. And we'll talk about this bottom indicator, which was just put in, which has twice before, like out of the last 4 times, out of the last 3 times, 2 times that actually went before, or that actually, I forgot the English word, but we got a bottom indicator before becoming bullish. So that's interesting in combination with the liquidation heat map. So there is new value in this video, but let's start off with the situation for Jasmy right now. So if we look at that situation, it's still that we are consolidating. All right, we have a strong resistance level tested at 2.5 cents. And a strong support level, arguably around 2 cents, but I think that a little bit lower towards like 1.85 cents would also still count. It's just that the level around 2 cents is most respected. So we are consolidating in that. You can see the EMAs are quite flat within that area. The EMAs, by the way, are also usually in the middle of the consolidation. So that's another confirmation that it's actually a bit lower, the lower bound of the consolidation, even though we haven't hit that very often. So this is the situation, and then the main thing we looked at for the last couple of days, and the main thing I'm following for Jasmy, is the momentum, which has not been great for the last week or so. We're basically losing a lot of momentum. Now, I did see some other people. Look, we went over this quite often. All right, there's just a huge divergence in the open interest compared to the price, where you can see the price is going up, and the open interest is going down. Now, I saw someone else with an interesting take and an interesting observation not too long ago, that usually when a crypto is consolidating and the open interest decreases, that will actually result in a big spike at some point of time along the way. So I don't think this is necessarily bad. So you can also see that the open interest is going up a bit right here. It's definitely not that much yet, because it's up about 10%, I would say, over the last 10 hours. And if you compare that, for example, with the 11th of March, so 2 days ago, then it also went up 10%, and it did not really lead to anything except for us testing 2.3 cents. So at this point of time, there's no indication, or there's no securities or guarantees that we will get that bullish breakout. But I do still think, like I said yesterday as well, even though yesterday we talked about the bearish breakout potential quite long, I still think that we're in this consolidation, and that therefore after hitting the bottom, it's most likely we will get to the top of the consolidation. And if I look at this consolidation, and I would have to, based on the previous price action and based on the market circumstances, I would have to tell you we're either going to get a bullish or a bearish breakout, I would still pick the bullish breakout. All right, so I do still think that is most likely. And like I said, if this bottom indicator actually lines up with open interest that will continue to go up, so that's something you'll have to watch for yourself, then there's actually a chance that we can break above 2.5 cents and rally up to 3 cents. So is it possible? For sure. All right. I mean, if you know Jasmy a little bit, and if you know the past, and you know the parties and the backers behind it, you know that's definitely a possibility. The thing though is that at this moment there's not enough confirmation for me to tell you we are going to get that breakout. I just think it's most likely. And there's quite a lot of liquidity to the downside as well, so we might have a spike down first. So be prepared for that as well. That's always best in these market circumstances. But apart from that liquidity, there's quite a lot of liquidity to the upside. So yes, short term, I do expect us to go up, reach the top of the consolidation. If at those levels, the open interest is still increasing, then we can break out. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right, it's too early to tell. But that's what you need to know. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.